Okay, this is going to be a how-to to get a broken bolt out of a exhaust manifold, something made out of cast iron. It'll usually work for aluminum too, but this is more common. There goes my ground. I have the camera fastened, so I'll do it this way. If you look in there, you can see that there's a broken off bolt. It's been tried to drilled out, and you really can't get it because once you heat these up and cool them down as many times as you do driving it, they get hard and they're not going to come out by drilling. Okay, I like to use a big, heavy, thick washer that's big around. What I'll do is I'll build the center of that up by welding it by a couple quick spot welds to bring it up past the surface of the manifold itself, and then I'll stick this washer on it like that, and then weld the center of it, and then take a bolt. I like to use one of these with a flat washer that's kind of built into it. It's a little more to weld to, and once that's welded, put that on there like that, and then let it cool, and then usually they'll come out. And if the bolt's been drilled before, that's even better because that'll help collapse it away from the cast iron manifold if it's got a little bit of an indentation to it if you've drilled it already. So this will work on a bolt that's already been drilled. Key is this, every time you start, is to hit the center of the bolt and not get any on the manifold itself. That way it'll come out. I've gotten it built up probably an eighth of an inch up past the surface of the manifold. I'll just slag off of it. that cool for a couple minutes. Okay, it's been cooling for probably about 3 or 4 minutes already. Should be an easy way to take and turn it just a little bit one way. Bring it back. Try and get it broke loose. And that one twisted off. So we're going to do this again. Okay, we're going to go for the second attempt now. And the second attempt has failed. Okay, this is the third time. You can see my other 2 failures laying there next to it. Went with a little bit of a different washer setup because my washer selection is starting to get low. I don't think this one's going to go either, but this is the 4th attempt. We have action. And there is your bolt. All you need to do is tap your hole out, and you're good to go.